How to sign in to Abbott Employee account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Abbott Employee Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Scroll down, navigate to this one website option. Abbott portal, open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. You will get two options, login with Abbott credentials and non-Abbott employees. Click on the option of login with Abbott credentials. Now go ahead and type in your credentials. Type in the email address, then you can click on next. Now go ahead and type in your password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on the option of forget password to recover it. After you provide your password, you can click on sign in, and just with that you will be logged into your Abbott account. So this way you can easily sign in to Abbott employee account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.